back to my channel. It's Nikday 14, and today we're going to be trying 2 new blizzards from Dairy Queen. I'm going to be trying the new caramel fudge cheesecake, and Mom's going to be trying the caramel drumstick. And I'll put the pictures up right here. These are how they look right here. Alright, stay tuned.
It's good. It's sweet, but it's good.
Mine's extra sweet too.
They're real sweet. I wouldn't want this much topping.
I don't even want to taste it. You looking at it. Don't worry about it.
Because I mixed it together. The way I mixed it. That's the drumstick, the cone thing. The waffle cone thing. And they just got to cut into big pieces.
We got the minis because we didn't think we were going to like them. Would I buy this again? Would you buy it again?
No, ma'am. First of all, it's too much.
What?
It's too much of the stuff in there. They need more ice cream and just have like
too much toppings.
They should put sprinkles of it in here.
Mine's is too
Much everything. I can see it.
It's too thick. Like the toppings,
they in nuggets.
They too big.
Nuggets, like instead of little pieces.
Yeah, say look.
It's just like this.
Look how big this is, and I like their chocolate chip cookie dough.
Look at this cone.
Look at that. Look how big that is.
And this big. That's just one part of the cone. It's too big. Well, next time I say
it's too sweet. It's too much for me, and I like sweet stuff, but
I'm fat. You know I love eating sweet stuff, and it won't be this.
I can't get jiggy with this. The cheesecake part is good. Well, let me see. I think it's too much caramel for mine. That's what it is for mine. The cheesecake is good. The chocolate pieces are good. The caramel is what throws it off for mine. What do you think? For yours?
It's a whole mess. Never again. McKeon and them probably like it. I mean, kids will like it. I can't. I do apologize for the inconvenience.
You can't even finish it?
Nah, I'm good.
Okay, so what would you rate it out of 10? I rate mine a 5.5.
A 2 is too much.
You rate a 2?
Yeah. It's really nasty, and I really like.
Okay, she gave it a 2. I gave it a 5.5.
A hot mess in here. Look at it.
It is milky now, but thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell.
I'm gonna ask for my money back.
And join me tomorrow in Nikday 15. Peace.